I tried the Top Unique hair system for 6 weeks. Here's everything you need to know about this hair system. Thank you, Top Unique, for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful hair system, but of course, all opinions are my own. If you love men's grooming, you're over 40, and you might be into hair systems, be sure to subscribe for more great content like this and hit that bell so you get alerted to my next video. One of the things that I really loved about this hair system was the European hairstyle. Because my hair is quite fine already on the sides, I wanted it to blend really nicely with my natural hair. When I opened up the hair system, immediately I could tell that the density of the hair was exactly like mine, which is fine European hair. So it blended with my hair, my natural hair perfectly. Now, what type of a hair system is this? This is a silk lace hybrid system. So the base of it is silk like this. So it's this very soft silk net that protects your scalp so you don't get any itchiness at all. It's really comfortable. And then it has a very realistic lace front at the beginning right here. So you can see that lace. Now this one, it has lace from here to here, and then you can see it's the silk base throughout the rest of this one. I think this is a great option if you are a very active person. If you live in a more humid environment, if you live in a more hot environment, this type of a hair system is going to be excellent for you because it breathes really well. Just like you would do with a lace system, you're going to be able to use tape or glue options. For me, I think tape on the perimeter, glue in the front is going to be the best option when I want something that is super realistic in person. I'm working from home this week and no one's going to see me, so I just did tape all around, and I think it still looks pretty darn good. There's a little shine from the tape, but nobody's going to be able to really see that. Now, I went with a medium brown, a medium cool brown, which is my natural hair color. And just to show you an example, so this is my natural hair, and then this is the hair system. And I'm going to do a quick 360 so you can see the hair color throughout. And so it's a smidge lighter than the sides, but I like that because it gives me a little bit of brightness. I could go a shade deeper if I wanted to, but I really like how it's a little bit brighter and gives me some sunniness up on the top right there. Now let's talk about pricing. I just checked their website. Currently, this is 2026. It's going for $329. I do have a code BECK to save 22%. If you could use that, I get a small commission. That would be awesome. It is the most comfortable out of all the different bases of styles I've tried, and I love the hair quality is excellent. Now let me show you how I put this on. You know what? I'm saying goodbye to bald forever now that I found this gorgeous silk-based system that I feel 100% confident I can apply on myself, and I know you can too. It breathes so well, and with a very realistic front hairline. I think you can do this at home just like I did. I take my template, I put it on the hair system, mark where I'm going to cut it with some very sharp shears. I'm cutting exactly where I marked it, all around the hair system. This has been so fun. Now here's the trick. I go with a thin amount of tape all the way around just on the silk, and then I do glue on the front lace hairline. Press that down for about 10 minutes or while I drive to the salon, and your hairstylist can cut it any way you want, just like regular hair. My final review of this is I give it a 10 out of 10. I have tried at this point 8 different styles of hair systems. And for me, this is the one that I wanted to really shout out and share with all of you because it hits everything for me. I'm very active, so I work out 5 days a week and I sweat. I live in California in the summer. It's very hot here. So it has done extremely well of staying on through the heat, through swimming, through working out 5 days a week. It's been a very durable base with the silk. It just is extremely durable while being breathable, and the hair quality is very soft and beautiful. This is one of the more high investment hair systems that Top Unique has. For me, I understand why. There's a lot of that goes in with the silk, the quality of the hair. Also, if you're not super used to using lace and working with lace, you may go for a poly unit instead. But if you've ever used a lace system before and you're comfortable working with it, it's just a beautiful hair system, and I give it, like I said, 10 out of 10. I really like that. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please hit me a like. I would love to hear your comments and I will respond to them. Remember, if you'd like to try out one of the Top Unique hair systems, the reason why I work with them is they have great customer service. They're very responsive. Their shipping is fast. Their prices are great. Please use my discount code BECK to save 22%. And let me know which one you pick. Tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to review a blonde version of this. I haven't been platinum in a really long time, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be sharing how to create a template for your hair. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe, hit that bell so you get my next video, and we'll see you in the next one.